All right, let's get right into it. We are going to tackle one of the biggest, most annoying challenges of our modern lives. How in the world do you secure your entire digital world? I'm not talking about just one or two accounts. I mean everything.
Seriously, just take a second. How many do you think you have? 10, 20, maybe 50? Chances are it's way more than you even realize. Every single app, every subscription, every little service you signed up for once, that number, it gets big fast.
And look, we're not just talking about some old forum you forgot about. We're talking about the absolute center of your life. Your main email account, that's the key that can reset every other password. Your bank accounts, your social media. We are talking about the keys to literally everything you do online.
And here's the heart of the problem, right? Because we have so many accounts, our brains just can't keep up. So what do? We take a shortcut. We use the same password, or a small variation of it, everywhere. But that creates this terrifying domino effect. A hacker gets into some random shopping site you used once, and suddenly they have the key to your email, your bank, to everything. So, how do we fix this everything problem? I mean, we can't just go offline, right? The answer is, you build a fortress, a single, super secure place to protect your whole digital life. And believe me, it is so much simpler than it sounds.
This fortress, it has a name. It's called a password manager. And you should think of it just like that, a digital vault. It's a seriously encrypted, secure app that's built for one job and one job only, to store and protect all of your login info. From Netflix to your bank, it's all in there. And this is the magic of it all. You go from trying to remember dozens, maybe even hundreds of different complicated passwords to remembering just one. One single, strong master password. That's it. That's all you need to get into your vault. Just one.
Okay, so you might be wondering, how does this one simple idea turn into such an amazing security system? Well, it's because a password manager does way more than just remember stuff for you. Now this is the real game changer. Instead of you trying to invent some strong password that you think you can remember, the password manager generates completely random, totally complex passwords for every single site you use.
And wow, this just shows you everything. On the left, you've got your classic human password, super predictable, something a computer could guess in seconds. But on the right, that's what a manager makes. It's just a random jumble of characters that would take a computer like centuries to crack. And the best part, you don't even have to know what it is.
But let's be real. Security is kind of useless if it's a pain to use. That's where autofill comes in. The manager sees you're on a login page, and boom, with one click, it fills in that impossibly strong password for you. It's actually faster than typing, and it's way more secure too. It even protects you from sneaky software that tries to record what you type. And this security, it follows you everywhere. Your digital vault is always synced up across all your devices. So that new password you just made on your laptop, it's already there on your phone. You have secure access to everything all the time, no matter where you are. But wait, there's more. The protection doesn't stop with just passwords. These days, a good password manager is more like a complete security command center for your entire digital identity. For example, you know those little 6-digit codes you get texted for extra security? It can handle those for you. Need to share the Wi-Fi password with a friend? You can do it securely without just texting it. Some will even scan the internet and warn you if one of your accounts shows up in a data breach. It's really total protection.
So yeah, we've talked about the tech and all the cool features, but what does this all actually feel like? What's the real human benefit here?
There's a quote that just nails it. It says, "A password manager isn't just convenient, it's essential." And that is so true. In the world we live in today, having one of these has gone from being a nice-to-have gadget to being as fundamental as locking the front door of your house.
When you get right down to it, it's about these three things. First, you massively reduce your risk of getting hacked. Second, you just get rid of that constant, low-level stress of forgetting passwords and getting locked out. And third, you actually save a surprising amount of time just by logging in with a single click.
So let's just bring it all home. It's about taking this huge, complicated mess of a problem and boiling it down to the simplest, most elegant solution possible. You have one key, you have one vault, and with that, everything in your digital life is finally, truly, properly secured.
And really, that's the only question left. Protecting your entire digital life is easier and more powerful than it has ever been before. So are you ready to stop worrying and finally lock the doors to your own digital fortress?